welcome back to my channel. Today I'm feeling funky and crazy and a bit out there, and I'm rocking the space buns, and yeah, my hair's gone shorter. I had it cut quite recently. So I have a different video this time. I know I said last week it was going to be my monthly favourites, but I actually got a Feel Unique pick and mix. It was last minute. I'm on a beauty group and I saw that they had some really good stuff on, like, to choose from this month, so I had to have a look. Unfortunately, I did miss out on the Makeup Forever eyeliner, but I don't mind. I've had this for about a week now, and I have used one item. From the last pick and mix, I really enjoyed the Paul Mitchell leave-in conditioner. I'll put a picture of it somewhere on the screen. Really like that. It's been really good. Doesn't leave your hair sticky or anything. So that's a good bit of feedback. So, but it's expensive, and I ain't got the money for that. Okay. Junk mail. Okay, so if you don't know what Feel Unique pick and mix is, each month you can go on to the Feel Unique website. I'll leave the link down below. If you're new, welcome. How rude of me. I've had some crazy, like, 10, 20 followers overnight. It's really weird on my social media. I'll leave that obviously on the screen somewhere. So yeah, if you don't know what Feel Unique pick and mix is, every month you get to pick up to 5 samples. They range in different sizes for $3.95, and then you can use the money. They give you a code and you can use it off postage for your next item, which is, if you buy something full size or whatever, which is really good. And that's what it looks like. It's a bit of an odd one. Sometimes it comes in an envelope, sometimes it comes in a box, sometimes you just get a plastic sleeve. It's plastic paper, goodness me. Okay, I'm wanting to dive in this for such a long time, I can't even tell you. Okay, we've started putting junk mail in, which kind of is a bit tedious, but whatever. This is Swoon. They got 40% off sale, Swoon editions. They do really cool furniture, a bit like Made.com. Unfortunately, I can't really afford £500 and stuff like that at the moment, so it's no good to me. But they have a sale on if that interests anyone who's doing home renovations or anything. So let's dive in. I'm going to pour these on my lap. My little wants to decide to come out. This month is a good month, and I'm very happy I did it. So let's just dive in with, well, you dive in with the product that I've used, just because I wanted to test it out. I was going to a friend's meal and I had to, like, pack to go to the gym, and I had one of the days where I had to, like, get changed into an evening and take my makeup from day to night, and all I do is I smudge the hell liquid eyeliner in my waterline top, and I rub, and it just makes it look really evening. So the product I got is, oh, I didn't know it was waterproof, that's why it wouldn't come off. It's the YSL waterproof eyeliner pencil. It's a coral eyeliner. It's lovely. I love YSL, so I'm so happy to get this. This is like a really big sample as well. This is 8 grams, so it's really good. And it's great. It goes on like super black, super soft. You don't have much time to work with it. That's the swatch. There. I've done that really retardedly way. You don't have much time to work with it. It does set. I would say it's a gel liner, if I'm honest. Like that's set. That's not going anywhere. So when I put it in my waterline, I had to, like, quickly smudge it with a cotton bud. Did not know how fast it sets, but it's really good and it stays for hours. My backdrop's falling down. It's because I haven't got my behind the scenes cameraman today, just my partner, so I've had to put up myself. Okay, I hope it doesn't fall on me, because that would be embarrassing, right? Ghost times, it's my paranormal video. Okay, so the next thing I've got is a perfume. I thought, I didn't know what to put in my sort of like last item, and I saw Willow Biggs actually put this on, and she said it smelled like Parma Violets. So I thought, I'll give it a go. If I don't like it, someone will. My mum will probably use it or whatever. And it's by Floral Street Iris Goddess. That's the one, Floral Street. They did have lots of different scents on there. I just noticed it's half full. That's really bad. I've not even used any of that. Okay, really pretty inside. Beautiful. The bottles look really nice as well. They've got that on the bottle. Okay, I hope I like this. Okay, let's have a sniff. Oh my goodness, it does smell like Parma violets, and I don't even like the taste of Parma violets. So, oh, that's really soft, and it's not super sweet. It's quite fresh. I'm not the greatest, but on my blog I will find the top notes and all that on the internet, and I'll put it there. But I really like that, and it's settling now into like a really nice, not musky, not sweet, somewhere in the middle. Oh, I like that. So I'd wear that in the like autumn or winter. I cannot wait for autumn, by the way, guys. I'm like done with summer. It's so hot all the time, and we don't have aircon in the UK, so like fans don't really do anything. And apparently we're meant to be having another 6-week heat wave, and I'm just done. I want my cozy nights, candles, boots and long dresses, and I want autumn now. So yeah, that's that. I'll obviously put all the prices on the screen. I got I didn't know it was just going to be this small. No, it doesn't say what size this is. I didn't know what it was, but I just thought, why not? Because I'm looking for a new lip balm, because I'm finding, unfortunately, Carmex is burning my lips inside. So they're really sore, and it's not chapped, it's actually burning my lips. So I've gone back to the Dr. Lip Nipple Balm. And it's an amazing lip balm, but I thought I'd try this. This is the Dermalogica Age Smart Renewable Lip Complex. And there's a decent sample in there. It just says apply as needed to infuse lips with avocado oil, shea butter and cocoa seed butters. And it's meant to be really, really good for like fine lines and things. So that's really good. I do like Dermalogica, I do. They did have some Dermalogica bigger samples on there actually. That's why I saw on there that somebody got like a 10ml, a bottle of Dermalogica facial stuff. So that's why, but I think by the time I got there, it was just what was left. So that's that. Oops, butterfingers. But I'll definitely use that. I'll like use a bit, leave it on my dressing table, whatever. And the next item, again, it's a sachet, but I was so excited. All the other bits were added extras. So it is the Macadamia Professional Ultra Shampoo, Ultra Rich Moisturiser, and the oil treatment, which I presume you put in wet hair. Wet or dry. So it is, it does say not for individual sale, but it is a sample, and each one is 10ml, and the little one on the end is 5ml. Really good actually. I might take that to the gym because I'm finding that the chlorine is drying my hair out some of it, and yeah, they're really good. Adds texture. What else? Yeah, it's for very coarse hair, which is great because I've got thick, curly, wavy hair. No parabens, no sulfates. Doesn't look English, and it defrizzes and tames, which is really good at the moment because it's frizzy and humid and my hair's like poof. So yeah, I'm really happy with that, and it's a good way to try like their products. And if it smells like argan oil or macadamia oil, like nuts, that's going to be brilliant too. And the last item, this is the other item to go with the YSL. This is why I went on there in the first place. Thank you to Beauty Group, I think that's what it is, I'm not sure, I'm in lots of different ones. But I have got the NARS Radiant Cream Concealer, and it's a 1.4ml. It did look a bit bigger in the picture, but I'm so happy with this. This is a sample. I can't even believe it, okay? There's the box. And this is what the product looks like. I thought this would be amazing to put in my handbag, or when I'm on night out. Or, not that I ever go out, but yeah. Or if I'm going out for a meal, or I just need to grab a few bits. Because when I go to the gym, sometimes I just get like a little bottle of foundation, like literally like a sample. I decant it into a sample bottle. I get a tiny little brush, I get a tiny blusher, and all I wear is concealer, eyebrows, mascara, and blush, and a bit of bronzer maybe. But yeah, these are handy. These pick and make samples are really handy for things like that, like travel. Like if I know I'm going overnight somewhere, I'll take that. Do you know what I mean? It's brilliant for £3.95. Anyway, let's get back to this product. I've never tried this. I've heard so much on the internet about how amazing it is, so I'm excited to try it. And it's quite big. It obviously is in custard, which might be a bit dark, but we'll make it work. Oh, my tummy's rumbling. I don't even know why. And that's what it looks like. I love NARS's products. When I used to live in Cambridge, I used to, I mean, it's as big as my palm, so it's pretty big. I used to go to the NARS counter all the time, and I always used to window shop, and I bought a lipstick from there, and ever since I've been hooked. So, sorry, I always have cats coming around my tripod when I'm trying to film. It's like they've been downstairs all morning and then they're just trying to film, and it looks like it's gonna rain, so yeah. Anyway, I really am so happy. Actually, do you know what do you know what? It says medium, but it's a spot on colour. That is exactly what I go for. I use it underneath my eyes and down here, and I don't do anything Kim K, but yeah. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy with that. And it blends out like a dream, and the coverage is good. Oh, it's a bit orangey, but I think if that's blended in with my foundation, it won't be too bad. Brilliant. So I got 5 samples. Yeah, 2 are designer samples, like high end. Love. And I just got some added extras. I got really nice perfume. I got a really nice set of shampoo and conditioner, hair oil, and a lip bar. I'm really happy with this month. And I'm trying to be more perky in my video because someone left a comment, and I love comments, good or bad, saying I was a bit like, but I can't always be sunshine and lollipops and rainbows and stuff. I just can't. That's just the way I am. So yeah, I don't care. Any hate comments, I don't really care. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to put the notification bell on because YouTube are really bad at the moment. No haters, no shade, no tea. And check my blog out because I like going a lot more in depth within my blog, and I like put like top notes and how the coverage of things are and stuff like that. And don't forget to look at the Feel Unique website, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye!